In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a reminder in PandaDoc. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to find the document where you want to send the reminder. So I'm just going to go to waiting for others over here, and I'm going to click on this one over here where I wanted to send a reminder to this person over here, okay? So I'm just going to click on it to actually open it up in a separate tab. Then you have to wait for a few seconds for this to load up. And then when it loads up, you'll be able to see we're going to be able to send a reminder from within here. So as you can see over here on the right, there's a bunch of different things. And up top it says invite, so we can just click on that, and then from here you can click on CC recipients. Okay, now whenever you click on this, you'll basically be able to see your recipients. You want to find the one you want to send a reminder to. So in my case, it's going to be this employee over here. You want to click on the three dots next to it to manage the recipient, and then you want to click on remind the recipient. Now over here you can of course select if you want to do text, SMS, or email, and then of course the subject and optional message as well, and then just click on send a reminder over here. And as you can see, you can do this once every single 24 hours, and that's basically how you do it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.